This is the Truco Layflat hose. It's a nylon reinforced PVC flat hose. It's a strong and durable flat hose which can handle a working pressure of 3 to 4 bar with a maximum bursting pressure of 9 bar. It comes in 4 sizes: 50mm, 75mm, 100mm and 150mm diameter. The hose is UV stabilized, thus it won't deteriorate in the sun. It's ideal for use in agricultural, mining, rainwater diversion, emergency water pumping, pool backwash pipes and general water distribution. It's lightweight and easy to store and carry. Please note this is not a food grade material. When diverting rainwater from your roof into your pool, this can negatively affect the chemical balance of the pool. It's a good idea to check and rebalance afterwards. If you like this product information, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our channel where you'll get notifications of similar products coming out with all the tips and tricks.